ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇದೆ.
Hello viewers and welcome to Campus Eye. I am Tanya Lobo. Rock music is a genre of music that is slowly making its presence in the Mangalorean youth culture. A number of rock bands have recently made a name here in Mangalore. For all rock lovers, we have a special feature on this unique phenomenon in this city.
Mangalore is a place that has given birth to many talents in various fields, and music is no exception. Music has been there from ages, and there is not only one but different genre of music. One of the genre of music that has caught the imagination of youth in Mangalore is rock music.
So I would like to tell about the rock music is that first of all in Mangalore in olden days they used to like folk music a lot, but now the Mangalore's gone under change, so people like rock music more, the kind of western music more. The people also have changed, so nowadays more rock concerts are coming here to Mangalore, and the number of people attending the concert are like very much a lot of people are attending.
Rock music is a genre of popular music that originated as rock and roll in 1950s.
This is Karthik from St. Aloysius. Rock music in Mangalore. First there was trance in Mangalore around 2 years back. People used to follow trance, but nowadays rock music is coming up. It's more famous than trance. And in the 60s and 70s rock music originally started and people used to follow it more than trance. And later on trance picked up and trance became more famous. But these days people are going back to 60s and 70s culture and they're liking rock music more.
Musically, rock has centered around electric guitar, usually as part of a rock band with bass guitar and drums. Not only is the youth of Mangalore eagerly embracing this popular music, but a number of rock bands have also popped up in the city and made a name for themselves. Notable bands from the city include Shifting Scales, Altered Perception, Elomeno PE, Acoustic Rhythm.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are Shifting Scales, and I'm Ruben Aditya. I'm on the drums. I'm Tushar Kundir on bass guitar. I'm Kishan Hadwar. I play the lead guitar. And this is what we do best: play rock. What is rock? Rock is the food we eat, is the water we drink. There are two things flowing in us: that's blood and rock. Kishan.
To begin with, rock has been confused in parts like these. I mean, punk has been categorized into rock. They say glam is that. Anyway, people are just too confused about the genre. We are here basically to improvise and emphasize on classic rock, which I think people have forgotten. Music in Mangalore, well, rock is there. There are places to play. I'm happy to say that. There are places that play good rock music, and two more places. I think around 3 places totally coming up soon. So hard rock here we come, and hopefully hard rock should come to Mangalore.
Yeah, please, hard rock. If you're watching this, come to Mangalore.
Hard rock is please.
They're not asking for ticket. And we are here to stand up for rock and roll and rock industry.
The nerve center of rock in Mangalore is the G6 Musical Live, a part of the Mangala Bar and Restaurant. This gives a platform to the rising bands. The musicians show a deep passion for music, which they believe give them a deeper sense of meaning in life. Unlike many earlier styles of popular music, rock deals with a wide range of themes, chiefly love, power, betrayal, and even lust.
Hi, what's up? This is Melrick here. I'm going to talk about a little bit of something rock and metal. And basically, rock is not an origin of India. So if you go to see rock and metal, it doesn't match the people over here. If you play rock and metal over here, heavy music, they'll be like, what the loud noise is going on? They'll be running away. But practically rock and metal is nice, you know. When you go to slow songs, and different between slow songs, there are a lot of emotions, and some people cry it out, and some people, you know, don't. Some people feel nice, but some people cry it out, get the emotional memories, and I feel bad. But rock song just brings out everything out of you. You go head back, you go crazy, you bring out energy out of you, and you just go mad there. All energy comes, you just become happy at the end. That's rock for you. But in Bangalore, India, there's no much scope for that. If you go to Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, and up on the northern states, we have a lot of scope for rock and metal. But in Bangalore, we are not much, like Shooting Scales and some other good bands are there in Bangalore, not much. But rock and metal is good music. Good